Hi, I'm Jason Holzman, Product Manager for Patient Alignment at Sun Nuclear. Today we are here at Varian in a TrueBeam vault showing installation of MicroPlus lasers. MicroPlus is a product where we took a lot of the pain points that customers felt and we really wanted to make it as easy as possible to align, install, and anytime they needed to adjust it, make those really quickly to get back to treating patients. Things like the remote finder, the ergonomical remote, offers in blue, green, and red. We really made the product easy to use, easy to adjust, and set it and forget it type style. You can visit us at sunnuclear.com and find out more information.